is going on YouTube? It is your boy MrBaboon back with a reaction video. This time we are reacting to a car crash compilation. You know what I'm saying? We've been a little bit since we react to this. Want to try to get back into the reaction videos, so that's what we're gonna do. We just know we're gonna get back into the reaction videos. Okay, just know that. I'm gonna start doing a lot more recordings and whatnot. But, real fast, if you guys want to watch the video for yourself, as always, it will be down below in the description if you guys want to watch it, or if you guys want to check out the channel. As always, it will be down below in the description, okay? So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this.
Head south on Jane Street. Continue on Jane Street for 800 meters.
For 800 meters. Uh-oh. This better happen. Oh, the snow just comes sliding down there. Yes, it is. Definitely clean the ice off the top of the cars. Yeah, I thought something crazy was about to happen. Or did the crash actually happen? No, I don't think a crash happened right there. Uh-oh. Ooh. Damn. Hopefully everyone is safe though in all this. Oh no. Oh no. Damn. Cut off 2 people. Damn, just cut off 2 people right there. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, hopefully everyone's okay. Damn. Oh, yeah, I mean that one person probably just didn't even see. Couldn't even see that way that good. Uh-oh. Oof. Ooh. It gets mad at me. Yeah, no. Okay, see, yeah. Like, no. That guy that was in the other car was in the wrong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oof. Oof. A little bit of scratch or pain right there.
It's just not very common.
Maybe it did. Uh-oh.
Ran a stop sign.
He ran a stop sign again. Oof. If a stop sign got pulled over, make sure you stop at the stop signs. Oof. What happened? What happened? Oof. See, I was gonna back it up, but I'm so confused about that last one. I'm a little confused on what happened on that last one. Oh shit, right into the trailer.
Rear ended that guy's trailer.
Damn, right into the trailer, damn. Damn.
No.
Ooh. Damn. Okay, let's see what happens here. Damn, damn. A little bit of patience. Okay, the car to the right, my right, hold on, hold left signal when I was next to it, instead of moving into my lane and I honked and stopped in time. Yeah, no, I mean, damn. A little bit of patience. Oh shit. Oh shit.
What do I have today? Just that therapist
Damn.
for inner child work at 11.
Damn. Oh my god. Look at this. Boom. Boom. Like, ooh. At least 3 cars involved in that right there. Hopefully everyone is okay though. Ooh, tower came off? Is that what happened? I lose this tower by making a left hand turn. Damn, yeah, no, tower did come off. Damn.
Convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, Republican Committee Chair James Comer.
The transcript will be released as soon as her attorneys approve it.
Oh, are they backing up? Yeah, they're backing up.
Former President Bill Clinton will be deposed.
Bro, what just happened?
Johnston announcing today he's signing an executive order aimed at protecting
You need to
criminals
go.
in the nation illegally
Lady, you
from
hit me.
federal immigration agents. The mayor says he was motivated by the chaos in Minneapolis following the surge of criminals arrested in that city.
The way that it can bring an economy and an education system.
He goes back down the hill. Yeah, no, it rode, yeah.
In these cities.
Damn. Damn. Dummy double. Damn. People. Some people are scary when they come to driving. Damn. Oh shit, I wasn't even watching that way. Let's back that up for a second. Let's see. Okay, so that guy's shoving snow. Let's see, because I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so he's backing up. Oof. I mean, to be fair, he's coming up that he can't really see. Got hit by oncoming. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, he should have been making a U-turn right there. He probably should have did. No, there's a better way. You know what I mean? Damn, what is he doing? I'm not being very safe right there. What the fuck? Notice. Huh. What's about to happen? Damn. Damn, what the fuck? Oh shit. Just cuts right on over. What the fuck? People breathe. Yes, exactly. Oh shit, I think she just got ruined. Yeah, ruined by hit and run driver. Damn, and did a hit and run too. Damn.
Blow a deal worth potentially $200,000 in annual revenue because he promised the client we could integrate with a legacy system that didn't have API access.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Asked how we'd accomplish this. Kevin just said our tech.
Let's see. What's about to happen? Like, damn. Like, people, I feel like people don't be watching out what they be doing when they be driving sometimes. You know what I mean? Like, please be safe out there, everybody. Please be safe out there, okay? Taking a rape onto the highway, 2 cars open on the shoulder to pass the traffic. Yeah, no, for real. Like, hopefully everyone is being safe. Didn't even see that other car. Let's see what happened. Oh shit. Oh shit. Plus, I mean, accidents do happen though. Oh shit. Oh. Damn. what's about to happen? Oh shit!
It's green. That person they just crashed.
They just crashed?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh my god. Whose fault was it?
This red car, I think.
Damn. Oof. What's about to happen in this one? Oh shit. Smart of the other led by crossing the road. Yeah, no, nice. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fucking shit. There goes the side mirror. There goes that. Damn. Like, he did a... He's coming back, cutting down. And then he tries... Okay. Damn. 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 You know, please be careful out there. Okay, definitely please be careful out there. I'm definitely gonna get some more compilation videos, all kinds of compilation videos. I might even find a couple, maybe even some like gaming compilation videos or some shit like that. I might even try to find some of those. So let me know, okay? If you guys want to watch the video for yourself, definitely check the description. If you guys want to check out the channel, like I said earlier in the video, check the description down below. I have the video and the channel link down below if you guys want to check out both. You know what I mean? If you guys want to check it out, okay? I will see you guys in the next video. You guys stay safe. Watch out for each other, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in the next video, okay?